हर सुबह आपके पास में दो चॉइस होती है, एक तो ये कि आप सोते रहो और सपने।
Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas Sir, the Hindu editorial dictation. Heading is Scientific Disinterest. This article is completely related to COVID-19 vaccine and Baba Ramdev and Union Health Minister Harshvardhan. ओके देखो क्या बोला है, मिनिस्टर एंड पब्लिक फिगर्स मस्ट नॉट बी सीन एज एंडोर्जिंग ड्रग्स हुज एफिशिएंसी इज इन डाउट। ये आर्टिकल आपका देखो, जैसे हमें कोरोना वायरस की जो मेडिसिन वैक्सीन निकाली थी बाबा रामदेव ने, वो आर्टिकल जैसे वो आप लोगों को पता है कि WHO ने साफ इनकार कर दिया था कि हम इसको अप्रूव नहीं कर सकते। इसलिए ये बोला कि मिनिस्टर एंड पब्लिक फिगर मस्ट नॉट बी सीन एज एंडोरिक्स ड्रग्स हुज एफिशिएंसी, जिसकी एफिशिएंसी डाउट में है मिनिस्टर एंड पब्लिक फिगर्स में, उसको हम दिखा नहीं सकते। ये आर्टिकल कंप्लीटली ये बोला गया है। ओके चलिए हम डिस्कस करते हैं अपनी आर्टिकल की 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। बी रेडी, start. The presence of Health Minister Harsh Vardhan at a press conference to promote Coronil, an Ayurvedic pill promoted by Baba Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurveda, is objectionable on more than one count. Coronil is a concoction of common herbs known to Ayurveda. Since June, there have been attempts to deploy it into India's COVID-19 management protocol. Dr. Vardhan, alongside cabinet colleague Nitin Gadkari, was at a press conference with Baba Ramdev and other promoters of Patanjali to announce a scientific publication describing the efficacy of Coronil in riding volunteers, part of a clinical trial of coronavirus. For one, Coronil is a product manufactured by a private company. Dr. Harshvardhan is an ENT surgeon, are explicitly barred from promoting drugs of any sort. Though Dr. Vardhan did not explicitly mention Coronil in his address at the function, what public functionaries are seen to be doing speaks louder than what they say. Baba Ramdev first claimed that his product was endorsed by the WHO. Following media reports, WHO Southeast Asia tweeted that it had not revived or certified the effectiveness of any traditional medicine for the treatment of COVID-19. What transpired was that India's apex drug regulator had certified Coronil as a pharmaceutical product in supporting COVID treatment and an immunity booster and cleared it for export. It has not recommended it as treatment for COVID-19. The publication of a double-blinded randomized clinical trial in a research journal is not an endorsement of a product but an essential requirement of reporting the drug's action to subject experts. The report reveals that the medicine was only tested on 95 of those asymptomatic and mildly symptomatic but confirmed as RT-PCR positive. The 45 patients who got the actual treatment and not a dumpy pill tested COVID-19 negative significantly quicker. However, these numbers are small. A large proportion of those with mild or no symptoms are expected to clear out the infection without any external intervention. There was no information in the study on the number of days that elapsed before the patients tested positive, making the role of the drug in clearing out the virus unclear. True, allopathic medicine too has cut corners as an ICMR-led trial ultimately could not justify the administration of hydroxychloroquine. The Drugs Controller General of India approved itolizumab by Biocon that was tested only in a sample of 30 but was advertised as a breakthrough drug, and Covaxin was approved before its efficacy was known. Processes are imperfect, but the government must demonstrate its scientific disinterest when evidence is wanting. Full stop. इस आर्टिकल की आप डिक्टे इस आर्टिकल को आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए। ओके, जैसे इसमें काफ़ी आपके न्यू वर्ड्स हैं, जैसे ये हो गया आपका काफ़ी साइंटिफिक न्यू नेम आपके, जैसे आयुर्वेदा हो गया आपका, डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन हो गया, प्रोटोकॉल्स गडकरी विद रामदेव, ये पतंजलि हो गया, ये आपके काफ़ी न्यू वर्ड्स हैं। इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए, ठीक है। और इसकी जो आपको स्पेलिंग है, स्पेलिंग को भी अच्छी तरह से देखिए, ओके। और वीडियो आपको अच्छे लगते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।